All right, so I'm going to be doing my UDL on tables, graphs, and fractions. We've been working on this unit, so my specific lesson for today is going to be on fourths. Now we've learned about symmetry, equal parts, non-equal parts, wholes, halves, so today's going to be about fourths. We're going to start with what is a fraction. Now, a fraction represents a part of a whole or any number of equal parts. When spoken in everyday English, a fraction describes how many parts of a certain size there are. For example, 1/2, 8/5, 3/4. So for a fraction, we've discussed the top number being our numerator, bottom number being our denominator. Denominator is how many parts there are total. And next is a whole. If the top number and the bottom number of a fraction are the same, then the fraction is equal to 1. That's because every part of the fraction or one whole thing. So you can see our example right here is a pizza, 1. So it would be 1/1. That is our whole. Half, one of two equal parts of a divisible whole. So here's our whole pizza. If we slice it right down the middle, we have two equal parts. So that would be 1/2. And what we'll be working on today is fourths, one of four equal parts into which one whole may be divided. So that means if we took this pizza, we cut it in 4 parts, they must be equal for it to be an equal fraction. 1/4. This would be 1/4 that we could take out. Any slice that is separated right here would be 1/4. Now I want you to look, which image shows equal parts? We see that the pizza is sliced in equal parts here. And here we have some big, some smaller, so this would not be equal parts. This pizza split would be into equal parts. Everyone would get a fair share. And lastly, I want you to think, can you identify what a fourth is? If yes, how? What are you looking for? So what would make something a fourth? What are some components of that you could bring to class tomorrow to discuss with me? And if no, what questions do you have? Are you confused about anything? Do you need more examples? All right, so review that, take your time, and if you have any questions, I want you to bring those with you to class and get ready to learn about fourths.